Bonjour, year five. Bonne année. Welcome to the new year. And in this year, in French, we are going to be working on a project, a mini project on my country. So it's going to be called My Country Project. Through these lessons, we are going to be learning some sports activities of our country. We're going to work on clothes, food, color of the national flag, name of our country, nationality, clothes, and all of this. Okay, different topics we're going to work throughout this term. Today we are going to be starting with by saying my country's name is, and then we will be learning how to say the color of our national flag. Some students may have learned colors before, some students may have learned and have forgotten now, some students maybe they're learning this for the first time. So this is kind of a refresher for those who have already learned. Okay, let's start. Take out your French notebooks now, like we do as usual. Write the date, le 3 janvier 2022. Write the date, and then leave a line and write mon pays, which means my country. Then you leave a line again and write pour commencer. This is what we usually do at the beginning of the lesson. We try to do a starter activity. Over here, the starter activity is unjumble the letters. So here are some jumbled letters, and you need to put it in proper order and write the correct word. A clue that I can give for this is that these are all colors in French, names of colors in French. So you are going to find what these jumbled letters, when they are unjumbled, what do they mean? Okay, so I'm going to give you 5 to 10 minutes to complete this. Right now, you can pause the video and you can continue working on this. Now, there you go. You have the answers here. Take out your purple pens. Now, correct your answers. The first one is bleu, which is blue. Then you have gris, which is gray. And then you have noir, which is black. And then you have vert, which is green. Okay, and you need to write its English meaning as well. So just now I said all the meanings here. Bleu is blue, and you have gray, and then you have black, and then you have green. If you've written all of them right, just give a star for yourself. And if you've written those 4 jumbled ones, if you've unjumbled it correctly, absolutely right, then you can mark yourself out of 4. Okay, mark yourself out of 4. When you come back to school next week, then I'm going to check your work. There you go. You have the answers over here: blue, gray, black, and green. Then you have learning objective. Can I describe my country? Today we're going to use name of our country and the national flag colors to describe our country. Okay. Then we have our learning outcome here. So that you have 3 learning outcomes. I can identify the vocabulary. I can make simple sentence to describe my country. I can add connectives. So here are some colors. Try to say the colors if you know it. If you don't know it, there's the time for you to learn it up. The first one is bleu, which is blue. Next you have rouge. Then you have jaune. Then you have violet, which is purple. Then you have marron, which is the chestnut brown. And then you have blanc, which is white. Noir, which is black. Rose, which is pink. Gris, gray. Vert, green. Orange, orange. So you have bleu, rouge, jaune, violet, marron, blanc, noir, rose, gris, vert, orange. Okay. If you want to practice saying these words, you can always pause the video, go back and try to repeat after me all these words and practice. All right. Now, also, you can use this opportunity to write these words in your notebook and practice. Okay, so you get a good spelling practice over here, so you can practice it that way. Now, this is your last activity. You need to draw your country's flag in your French notebook and color it as well. Also, name the colors in French. You could see the one example given there, there's a flag over there right in front of you, and which is arrow marks on either side. So you just have to draw the flag, and you have to write the color over there next to it. Also, you color the flag. You can also draw some famous monuments, food items. You could draw clothes. You could draw your country map. You could draw anything that's very unique about your country, different about your country. You could draw and color them. All right, the food items, anything. First of all, you write Mon pays s'appelle, which means my country's name is, and then you write your country's name there. If you don't know what it is in French, you could use wordreference.com to find what it means in French and write it over there and learn it up. Then you write la couleur de drapeau, which means the color of the flag is, and then if you have two colors in your flag, you write two colors with connectors like and, ETA. Or you can just put comma and write all the colors. And you could do the challenge as well. That's optional though. You could try to do it. Can you write your nationality in French? So if you know to write your nationality in French, for example, if you're from Spain, but that's your country, you are Spanish. That's your nationality. If you're from Spain, you are Spanish. If you're from Germany, you are German. So that's the difference between country and nationality. Please do not write your country's name where you need to write your nationality. Okay, so first of all, you write Mon pays s'appelle and you write your country's name there. And then you write La couleur de drapeau et, and then write the color of your national flag there. And at the end, the challenge is you could write your nationality in French as well, okay, if you know it. Otherwise, just optional. Okay, so today is just creating your project, all right, the start of your project, all right. Okay, finish this. Next week we will check in class. Okay, au revoir, à bientôt.